Our topic is what are the family planning programs in India? Worldwide countries, as a measure of controlling population explosion, there are number of scales of measures implemented. Among all measures, family planning program is a best method. This method was uniformly recognized by all countries in the world. In India, under this measure, family planning program, there are number of efforts are being implemented in India. The first effort name is public information system, public information program. Wide publicity in the part of awareing the people regarding the small families through media, print media, electronic media, through radio, some other public information programs are being implemented in India. This is very effectively reach the people how the importance of small family, how the people are being implemented in family controlling systems, etc. The next effort implemented by India is incentives and disincentives. The governments, both in state and central, the government incentives to the people who are come forward to accept the family planning operations. The incentives are in the form of cash and some incentives are in the form of goods. Through these incentives, the people were encouraged. The operations, family planning operations. And in the same way, the government is also encouraging the government civil servants, the government employees to provide some incentive increments. But at present, that is not needed. Why? The educated peoples are well aware the importance of small family. So this was gradually this concept is reduced. The third effort is being implemented by India is family planning centers. Family planning centers are the essential practice in India. In the primary level, village and urban level, there are number of centers are being established by the government. These centers provide the people clinical assistance and medical assistance and some other the techniques. What are the techniques are being adopting in the control of pregnancy system. This is very much effort. This is very much useful to control the population explosion. The fourth one effort is being implemented by India is research programs. Research program is to be needed in the biography of human beings and some other new techniques in reproductive biography and other operations system and easy methods are need to be invested and discovered. This is the research program also the government is encouraging at special centers level. So basing on these four efforts, the government is very seriously took into the major effort to control the population explosion. So, by implementing these efforts under the family planning programs, the government of India is very much achieved results in controlling the population explosion. Okay, thank you.